Hey everybody and welcome back. On today's video, I have a sweet friend of mine and her wonderful kids coming over and watching me cut a clutch. They love snake discovery and so they wanted to see it, and here's that video.
And then that should be enough water just to keep this wet, but not, like moist, but not super wet. That's why I put so many paper towels in there. Okay. Homer and Chloe, I already cleaned the scissors, so we don't need to worry about that.
Are we gonna force them to come out or just
I'm not gonna pull them out of the egg, right?
Okay.
So we're gonna help them, like cut it open, we can look at them, but we're not gonna pull them out. Good
Okay.
question, because they're probably still attached to their egg yolk, their egg sac, and then, so I put some powder on here because there's like, maybe nervous that there was like a little bit of mold. And so that's the powder just like you put on athlete's foot.
Why are they so squishy?
Oh, because these are big eggs. They're going to be super goopy. Now, these ones are really big. Bertha's eggs were like the size of chicken eggs. These are big, so they're just goopy. So, if you want to feel, hang on, right here, lightly pinch like this. See? Right here, lightly pinch, you can feel the snake. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Lightly pinch like this.
Oh yeah, I can feel it.
Right there, can you feel it? Yeah?
Oh.
Very cool. Okay.
It's a snake.
So, do we think this one is going to have... All right, let's see. There's 3 kids. There's 3 kids and 3 eggs. Which one? We're going to have y'all can pick your own egg. So, who wants to pick? You want this one? Okay. And you want this one? And you want this one? Okay, we're going to see who gets the pie. We're going to play Find the Pie. So, we're going to see if it's in this one. Right? This is little Harper's egg, little sister's egg, big sister's, little sister's egg. We'll just go with Harper. That makes more sense. Okay, so then I pinch this because on snake discovery, sometimes you see that there's like blood or whatever. That's just the veins on the eggshell. That's not anything to do with the baby. But if I do this, then they fall down and I don't cut them. So there's usually no blood if I do it that way. But again, that's not the baby snake's blood. See, I go really short and just cut the egg. Okay, let's see.
That's not it.
That one's a pie.
Oh, Hunter found the
I got the pie.
Okay, we got at least open it a little bit more.
Yeah,
We
a
got
little more. Get it on camera.
at least 1 pie.
I think there's 2 more.
big too.
I think there might be at least.
Oh, look.
And that's an orange dream pie.
Cool.
It's very orange.
I think there is. Oh, I think his head. Yeah, his head is like.
That's a
big.
really pretty one.
I can't believe I
Good job, Harper. Okay, who wants to go next?
Me.
We're gonna do oldest or youngest. We'll like make the oldest guy wait. Cool. Cool. Okay. So you wanted this one. No, you wanted this one. Okay. What do you think? Think it's a pie?
Yeah. I'm gonna think it's maybe a ball.
Oh, it's definitely ball python. It would be weird if a cat came out of there.
Dinosaur.
It'd be weird if a cat popped out or a dinosaur. Oh yeah, that'd
If
be
a cat
real
pops out, it's a
surprising.
good thing we got the video going.
That's right.
First ever.
Goopy egg.
Well, that's very goofy.
Very goopy. Okay, let's get a little peeky peek. Oh, that might be another pie.
Wow.
I think that's
Maybe.
because I saw some light.
Yeah?
Wow.
Harper was right.
2 pies, and that one does not look like an orange dream. See, I caught the vein a little bit. That's not the snake, but that's fine. That's 2 pies.
Yeah.
Okay, do you think we got 3 pies? That would be cool.
Yeah, I think we do.
I think we do.
Yeah.
Statistically speaking,
I think the little
we should
ones
not
will
have
get the
another
pies.
pie. But if we did, that'd be really cool.
Oh, poor baby.
What?
The
That
baby's
little-
sleeping.
She's
sleeping
dying down
downstairs.
there.
Yeah, the little baby puppy. Thinks she's all alone. There's no one there beside her. So pitiful.
And I don't think this one is a pied,
I don't think so either.
which is cool because I wanted to see what her babies would look like normal without pies.
Yeah, that's probably
Yes, I was guessing no pied.
Ooh, that's a big one.
It is a big one.
I was guessing no
I bet he's
pied.
ready. Is that a bald python?
Oh, it is. It totally is.
Oh,
It just doesn't have
Maybe that's a normal.
pied.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah.
it's a normal.
Yeah, it's really cool looking, whatever it is.
At least we got two pies.
Yeah. All right, so that's neat, right?
That,
So,
that
can I
was
get my name in that napkin?
that.
So then we're just gonna put them back in the incubator in about 2 days, 3 days. They'll crawl out of their egg whenever they soak up their yolk.
One baby's trying to get out. He's like,
Oh yeah. But these are big babies.
that means they might be ready. What's
Sweet.
this one
Yeah.
mean?
That's why she opened it.
What's this one mean?
This one means I need to take its shed and send it off to get tested. So whenever these 4 shed, I need to get their shed tested.
It was such a wonderful time being able to share this experience with this beautiful family. It was wonderful to see the kids' excitement. It's very contagious. So the pairing on this clutch was Chloe, our beautiful pied, to Homer, he is an Orange Dream Desert Ghost Het Pied and also extremely beautiful. We are very excited for these babies. Thank you.